Good day, traders. Once again, I'm here to work quickly and efficiently, and along the way, I'm here to give you useful information and share handy tools to make sure your progress is rapid. I use a handy artificial intelligence-based robot to accelerate analytics. His name is MaxBot, and you can pick him up for free right now. Link below the video. Hurry, in a month you'll only be able to pick him up for a fee. It is an advisor that collects real-time indicator data and feeds it in a convenient format, giving you recommendations right away. Yes, it is very convenient not to overload your browser with tabs and not to scatter your attention. Friends, in order not to miss new informative videos, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Put a like and write comments, I appreciate it very much. So, active buying. I see a recommendation from the neural network based on the detailed indicator report. 9 indicators are burning green, signaling the development of bullish potential in the coming minutes. I decided to work on the 5-minute time frame, Euro, Canadian dollar currency pair. The frequency of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. This is convenient, because you can get up-to-date information right during trading. According to the historical data, I see high activity on volumes. I see that the bulls raised the price, after which the movement within the corridor, flat, started. I think that the bulls will eventually be able to accumulate strength and break through the resistance zone, which will lead to a successful closing of the trade. Friends, I want to remind you that the bot is free, and by the link in the description, together with it you will get very cool bonuses. Access to an exclusive chat with forecasts and a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $100 then on deposit you will have $200. Promo code works on the first deposit. I accelerated the price movement for the convenience of viewing this video. When trading feels impossible, don't quit. Fight back. Let's get one thing out of the way. Trading isn't easy. And if you've been losing, feeling like every trade you open goes the wrong way, you're not alone. We've all been there, staring at the chart, watching the candle eat through your position, asking yourself, am I even cut out for this? Let me tell you something the highlight reels don't show you. Everyone struggles at the beginning. Everyone doubts themselves. Everyone wants to quit, but the ones who make it, they're not the lucky ones. They're the relentless ones. Before we talk mindset, we have to talk money management, because most traders lose not from bad strategy, but from bad discipline. Here's the rule that keeps you in the game. Risk 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. No exceptions. If your deposit is $100, you trade $1. You win? That's 80 cents profit. Sounds small, right? But now imagine your deposit is $1,000. That same 1% trade is $10, earning you $8 per win. If you build your account up to $10,000, now you're trading $100 and pocketing $80 per win. The formula doesn't change, you just scale. So if you can afford to increase your deposit responsibly, do it. Not to gamble bigger, but to profit smarter. This is risk, real risk, like any business. Don't get it twisted. Trading isn't some hack to get rich quick. This is work, this is risk, this is entrepreneurship with charts. In business, you can lose. In trading, same thing. But the difference between someone who quits and someone who thrives is simple. One sees a loss as failure. The other sees it as feedback. Which one are you? In the meantime, I have successfully completed my first transaction and am starting a new one. New report from the bot, and the signal is an active buy. I see 8 bullish indicators and no bearish indicators. Yes, buyers should be developing potential now. This is another currency pair, the British pound and the Japanese yen. And here the bulls are really feeling confident. They have accelerated to win decisively. On the tick volume histogram, I see lots of green bars, and really not enough red bars. Yes, the sellers have used up their potential so far. I think that the price will continue to rise within the corridor, and at some point it will go into consolidation mode, but this will not change the essence. We have to close the deal successfully. I think this is a very favorable situation for the bulls within the 5-minute time frame. Attention, friends, I'm running a new contest. I will choose 2 winners who will get $1,000 for one random comment. Try your luck. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to the channel. like it, and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who watch the video to the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Our team will choose the winners using randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of valuable information there that will help you pump your skills and develop an effective trading mindset. Subscribe soon. Let's talk about the part nobody posts on Instagram, the losing streaks. The doubt, the nights you wonder if you're wasting your time. Let me give it to you straight. This pain you're feeling? This frustration? This voice in your head telling you to quit? That's not a sign you're broken. That's the signal you're getting close. You ever see Batman Begins? Bruce Wayne didn't become Batman overnight. He got beat, he trained, he failed, he bled, but he kept showing up, and eventually, he became the most feared man in Gotham. That's you right now. You're in the part of your journey they skip in movies. You're building your armor, your system, your mental edge. Keep showing up, because the market doesn't need another hopeful trader. It needs a disciplined assassin with patience and a plan. What if this struggle is exactly what you need? It's easy to love trading when you're winning. But growth doesn't happen there. Growth happens when you lose and show up anyway. When you get knocked down and get back in the seat. When your strategy breaks and you rebuild it smarter. When you control your risk even after a big win, especially after a big win. That's where real traders are born. Don't quit, level up, because success in trading isn't about perfection. It's about persistence under pressure. You've got this. In the meantime, I have successfully completed my work. My collaborative teamwork with MaxBot. The total profit for the 2 trades is $2,043. It was a great working day. Get the bot for free at the link in the description. Subscribe, click on the bell. Bye.